Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this absolutely gorgeous 1966 Morris Traveller that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end of both of them. Hope you like them. Okay, let's have a quick look around this 1966 Morris Traveller. Absolutely superb example, finished in Snowberry white with black interior trim. Really nicely restored between 2015 and 2021. Obviously full body restoration. Also had a full mechanical restoration as well, new wood, and it's absolutely fantastic. Really nice all round. Standard spec car. There are one or two minor mechanical upgrades like brake servo and inertia reel seat belts and stuff, electronic ignition, alternator, but still got its 1098cc engine in it, which has been rebuilt and in just gorgeous condition. Really is. Recent tyres on it. I wouldn't say it's concours, but it's just a really lovely example. Can't be concours because the last owner has put a lot of Dinitrol under the bonnet on the inner wings and stuff, which does stain them, but it's to keep the rust at bay. Anyway, let's take a walk around it and pick out some good bits and bad bits. Not much in the way of bad bits to see. Seems to be attracting insects though. Any black marks you can see are probably insects. Look around there, the seams are all correct. Yeah, another insect there. Paint finish is excellent. Just one tiny touched in bit just there on the edge of the bonnet. Sorry, on the edge of the wing. But again, seams are superb. Looking down the side, it all looks nice and straight. Door shut lines are good. Screen and rubber all look good. Wheels look to be in good shape, and we've got some photos of the underside as well, which we'll put on our website, but you can see what it's like under there. As I say, the door shut lines are excellent. It's just starting to rain here, so there's a couple of spots of water coming on it now. A couple of tiny marks, just one there and one there. In fact, no, that's not a mark, it's a piece of dirt, but that appears to be a little mark. Chrome's pretty good. As you can see, the door fits are very good. Look in there. Dash is all nice. A couple of extra gauges on the dash. New Newton commercial interior. Seats are in nice firm shape. And in the back, the internal wood is good. Apparently the wood's been replaced as well. We have got a massive history file on it too. Door shuts, nice. Near side rear wing, again superb. Looks like all the channels are all pretty new up here as well. Might be able to see something under there. And then around the back end, just the same, just absolutely superb. A couple of watermarks on it. A couple of marks on the load area cover, just down there. Looking down the offside, again looks totally straight down there. This is really good, this Miner. Paint finish is really good, really nice on it. Offside rear wing, all nice. As you can see under there, it's all good as well. Driver's door, again the fit is splendid. There are a couple of marks just up here around the window bottom edge. That's really the only area on the car that's got some blemishes, just there. A couple of minor marks. Offside front wing, again, all good. Screen and roof, all nice. And then inside, same again. Door is in good shape. Door shut and A-post, all in good shape. Dash nice, original sprung steering wheel as well. Seats are good. Yeah, it's a super example, this one. I think so. As ever, you make your own judgment, but I reckon it's pretty good. So, my name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information. Okay, quick video of starting and idling on this 1966 Morris Traveller. Ignition on. You can see ignition light and oil light come up as they should. Starts beautifully. I've just done 10 miles on it. Idles really nicely. As you can see, temperature gauge and oil pressure gauge working as they should. And the fuel gauge. And now we'll show a bit on the bonnet. Okay, minor engine. Engine is up, actually sounds lovely. You can probably hear a sort of diesel noise in the background. That's just going next to the train station. It's just about to pull out. But the engine itself on this minor is superb. If you look at the inner wings here, you think they're discoloured. Yes, they are, but it's dinitrol, it's not rust. They are white underneath that, because the previous owner decided he didn't want the wings to rust anymore, just to rust once he's replaced them. So they've all been dinitrol. As you can see, the engine is lovely on it. It's got all the right stickers and transfers on it and stuff. It's just a super little car, it really is.